This one tip could mean you'll get more flowers and a much better plant. Hi everyone, I'm Alan from Newlands Nursery and this is today's 5-Minute Friday, and what we're going to do is take the tips out of this fantastic fuchsia plant in order to get it to bush out. So if we have a look over here, you can see these are some of our pre-planted hanging baskets. So these are all fuchsias here. And what we do is grow them and then we take the tips out, and that helps them bush out. You can do this with your fuchsias in containers as well as hanging baskets. So what we're trying to do, and if we take a careful look at this plant here, we've actually done it once already, so we do it more than once. So we would have taken the tips out around about here, okay, which has caused this plant to bush out like this. So the more you do it, the more foliage you get. And the plant needs more foliage, more branching, more stems in order to produce more flowers, because the flowers obviously appear on the stems. So the more stems you've got, the more branching you've got, the more flowers you're going to get. So what we're going to do is work around this plant, and you can do it with your thumb and fingernail, just like this. So we find a tip here. You could do it there. I'm going to take it a bit further down. You can see this break of these leaves here. We're going to do it just above that. And fuchsias are relatively soft stems, so you just do it like that. And if we go this way, you can do exactly the same here. So you work your way round, just taking the tips out, okay, and you'll find you can do it relatively quickly. And you can do it with a pair of scissors if you like, but honestly this will work, and it works perfectly well. So you take them down to around about the same level, and you can see already on some of them, if I find one there, this is a great one to look at here. If I take the tip out there, you can see just here these bits of growth here. This is what's going to stem out, this is what's going to branch out, and like I said, the more foliage you get, the more flowers you get, and that's exactly why we're growing fuchsias. So that's that basket done, just like that. So you can see it looks a bit neater, but it also means you are going to get a lot more flowers. You're going to get a much bushier plant, which is exactly what we want. So it's the perfect time of year to do it. So if you're growing hanging baskets like this, it's a bit early to put them out. So now's the time to take the tips out, encourage more growth, and you will definitely benefit. You're going to get a lot more flowers throughout the summer. See you soon.